Daily Box Break Soccer Edition, box number 4. Good luck, guys. So this is Revolution. One box of Revolution Soccer. Here are the top 10 teams, which will be randomized first. Dice roll is for both randoms on a team, so Snake Eyes reroll. You got 9 times on both randoms. Good luck. Here we go. 1, the good teams. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last and final time. Good luck, guys. 9. We have Boca on top and Barca at the bottom. What's that? Boca on top and Barca at the bottom. Alright, so this is the good teams for you. And now onto the not so good teams. 9 times as well. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi, Pedro. 5, 6, 7, 8, and last and final time. Good luck. 9. We have Lüttich on top and Ajax at the bottom. Copy it into the list. Alright, here are your teams. We got Dave with Boca, River Plate, Club Americas, and Tigres. Pedro gets Real Madrid, Sergio Bayern, Gustavo Leicester, Lars gets Paris Saint-Germain, Juve, and Atletico. Gustavo gets Dortmund, Schalke, Sergio gets AC Milan, Gerardo gets Barcelona, Dave gets Lüttich, Pedro gets Porto, Sergio gets Roma, Gustavo gets Fenerbahce Olympiacos, Lars gets Basel, Lyon, Marseille, and Inter Milan. Gustavo gets Sporting, Sergio gets Moscow Zenit, and Gerardo gets Ajax. That are the teams. Good luck. On to the break, guys. It's one box of Revolution Soccer. Like I said, they seem to feel really quick, so I will definitely get some more loose boxes, also from some other products. Some will be a bit more expensive, but it's a bit more quality, like Black Gold or something. So yeah, good luck. Here we go. First up, we got base, and we got Astro Parallel. Stargazing is Iker Casillas for Porto, and we got Astro Miguel Layun also for Porto. Astro Parallel, Miguel Layun, Porto. Alright, next pack. I hope we get an autograph in this one. And last is base. We got base, and we got Gonzalo Higuain. And that is a fractal parallel for Juve. And this is a base. Stargazing for Juventus. And that is Lars. Yeah, Lars has Juve. Alright, next pack. Base on the back. We have Stargazing. No, on the rise, sorry. On the rise. Boca Juniors. Christian Pavon. Astro Parallel for Boca Juniors. And we got Revolutionaries, Antonio Conte. Just the regular Revolutionaries. I hope we get an autograph in this one. We got Infinite, Florian Thauvin for Olympique Marseille. Infinite. And Carrasco is regular base. Base, and we got Astro. Nice! Pulisic, rookie. Astro Parallel for Dortmund. That is nice. Who has Dortmund? Gustavo with Dortmund. Nice hit. Very nice. Gustavo. Pulisic, Astro. That's a good one. And Stargazing is Lewandowski for Bayern, the regular one. All right, got base. Wow, autograph Leonardo Bonucci for Juventus Turin. The regular one, but we got an autograph, so nice on a one box, even if it's Bonucci. Juve, and that is Lars. Lars gets a Bonucci autograph. Very nice. Base. Astro Revolutionaries is Shevchenko. Astro Parallel going to AC Milan. On the rise is Asensio for Real Madrid. Last pack, guys. Yeah, now he's Milan. All right, we have Tolan Shaka for Basel. Magna 36 of 49. FC Basel, and that is Lars as well. And last card is Messi. I will send that with you. All right, that's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Up next time. Peace.